Let us see the sentences using he. He means here as soon as. As soon as. Okay, as soon as it is possible. In letters we can write as soon as it is possible. Please send this message. Okay, like that. He means here we can say that only. Only also we can take the meaning for he. Okay, पक्षी ही उड़ सकते हैं. Birds alone can fly. Birds alone can fly. Okay, other things we can't say them that they are flying. Birds can only fly. वही यह काम कर सकता है. वही यह काम कर सकता है. He alone can do this work. Okay, he alone can do this work. क्या आप 2 दिन ही यहाँ ठहरेंगे? 2 दिन means only for 2 days. Only for 2 days. क्या आप 2 दिन ही यहाँ ठहरेंगे? Will you stay here only for 2 days? Okay, he here he represents the only. वे 10 दिन के अंदर ही लौट आएंगे. वे 10 दिन के अंदर ही लौट आएंगे. They will come back within 10 days. Okay, they will come back within 10 days. तुम आओ या न आओ, मैं जाऊंगी ही. ओके, तुम आओ या न आओ, मैं जाऊंगी ही. Whether you come or not, I shall certainly go. I have to go. If you are coming or not, I am going. Like that. पल्लव हमेशा सादा कपड़े ही पहनते थे. पल्लव name of the person. Okay, पल्लव हमेशा सादा कपड़े ही पहनते थे. Okay, पल्लव always used to wear simple clothes only. अध्यापक के आते ही छात्र चुप हो गए. Okay, अध्यापक के आते ही छात्र चुप हो गए. See, as soon as did the teacher come, then the students became silent. मेरे स्टेशन पर पहुंचते ही. ओके, मेरे स्टेशन पर पहुंचते ही गाड़ी छूट गई. As soon as I reached the station, the train started. Okay, I did not catch the train. क्या आजकल आप इसी शहर में रहते हैं? क्या आजकल आप इसी शहर में रहते हैं? Okay, nowadays, do you live in this town only? मोहन यही ठहरेगी. मोहना यही ठहरेगी. Mohana will stay here only. We can use he for only, alone, as soon as. Okay, in the place of only, alone, as soon as, we can use he. Okay, पक्षी यहाँ ही उड़ सकते हैं. Okay, birds alone can fly. वही यह काम कर सकता है. Work plus he, वही. Okay, he alone can do this work. क्या आप 2 ही दिन यहाँ ठहरेंगे? Only for 2 days. Okay, will you stay here only for 2 days? वे 10 दिन के अंदर ही लौट आएंगे. They will come back within 10 days. तुम आओ न आओ. Okay, मैं जाऊंगी ही. Whether you come or not, I shall certainly go. Here, पल्लव हमेशा सादा कपड़े ही पहनते थे. Pallav always used to wear simple clothes only. अध्यापक के आते ही छात्र चुप हो गए. As soon as did the teacher come, then the students became silent. मेरे स्टेशन पर पहुंचते ही गाड़ी छूट गई. As soon as I reached the station, the train started. क्या आजकल आप इसी शहर में रहते हैं? Nowadays, do you live in this town only? मोहना यही, okay, यही ठहरेगी. Mohana will stay here only. Okay, I hope these sentences will help you in writing the sentences using as soon as, only, alone.